Begin in a tabletop position on a comfortable surface. Place your knees closer than hip width apart. Gradually lower your hips towards the ground, transitioning your weight forward. Keep the tops of your feet flat on the ground, ensuring your knees lift off the floor. This movement should extend your legs fully. Straighten your arms to support your upper body. Ensure your arms are directly under your shoulders, creating a strong foundation to lift and open the chest. As you establish your position, actively pull your shoulders down away from your ears and draw them back to open the chest further. At the same time, lift your head to gaze upwards, elongating the front of your neck and deepening the stretch in your spine and abdominal muscles. If you force looking up too much, you are going to shrug, so it's okay if your eyes are just looking up and you are aiming to look directly above you. Breathe deeply while holding this pose, maintaining the position for 3 to 10 seconds, allowing your chest, spine, and abdominals to stretch out and strengthen with each breath. After holding the pose, gently lower your knees back to the ground, returning to the starting tabletop position. Repeat the movement for the prescribed number of reps or continue for the duration of time specified in your workout. Upward facing dog is a dynamic and beneficial yoga pose that improves posture, strengthens the spine and wrists, and stretches the chest and lungs. It is particularly useful for alleviating stiffness in the low back and improving overall flexibility. Regular practice can also aid in enhancing body awareness and reducing stress. As always, we don't want to push past any pain, and remember to breathe.